Dear students, welcome to our channel. This video is to give you the basic details of Chartered Accountancy course. CA course has 3 levels: Foundation, Intermediate, Final. Students completed 12th standard of any group can register for Foundation course. Commerce graduates with 55%, non-commerce graduates with 60%, CMA, CS, inter-completed candidates can take a direct entry to CA intermediate course. At foundation level, there are 4 subjects, and at inter and final, there are 8 subjects with 2 groups. The course fees would be 9,500 for foundation, 18,200 plus 13,500 for inter, 22,000 plus 14,500 for final. This includes IT and soft skill fees. CA exams are conducted in the month of May and November. For intermediate examination, the foundation candidates should have completed 8 months of study period. Direct entry students should have completed 9 months of articleship. In CA examination, a candidate has to secure 40% marks in each subject and 50% aggregate of all the 4 subjects. If a candidate scores 50% aggregate in a particular group but fails to score 40% mark in any of the paper, or a candidate scores 40% and above marks in all the 4 papers but fails to score the 50% aggregate, may not be declared pass in that particular group. Even not clearing a particular group, but in any particular paper, if a candidate scores 60% and above marks, he can claim that particular paper as an exemption in the forthcoming examinations. At final level, if a candidate secures 55% aggregate in final, for the top 50 students, the ranks are awarded. Becoming a rank holder at CA is considered to be a very prestigious achievement. The course structure. After registering for intermediate, the candidate has to take up information technology and soft skill training for a time period of 4 weeks. Foundation students passing either of the groups can start a 3-year articleship training. Direct entry students after the IT and soft skill training can start the articleship. This 3-year articleship is to be undergone in an audit firm for a time period of 3 years, and a candidate will be trained in financial reporting, auditing, taxation, and other key financial activities. Passing the intermediate, a candidate can register for final. Registering for final, a candidate has to undergo advanced IT and soft skill training for 4 weeks. These training should be undergone at CA Institute or any other recognized institutions. From the last 6 months of final articleship, a candidate can register for final examinations. Going through all this process, you can wonder how the CA course is different from a degree course. The degree course is purely theory based and concept based, whereas CA course is practical based. It gives you an on-field experience. Degree course is learning process, that is examination point of view, whereas CA course is a training process. It gives you a corporate readiness. Degree course makes a candidate ready for a well-structured job in an organization, whereas CA course ensures for professional readiness, that is, a candidate's critical thinking skills and analytical skills are improved. Degree course gives a specialized knowledge, whereas CA course gives a multitasking skills. With the degree course, a candidate can take up an entry in the operational level management, whereas CA course can put a person at the middle level or top level management in an organization. These are the key areas of subjects that are to be learnt in CA course. Okay students, if you think you can, with your fullest commitment and hard work, you can complete the CA course and become a successful auditor. Okay students, if you find this video to be informative, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us in the social media pages. Thanks for watching.